All right, everyone. I'm Toren Shirk, Media and Marketing Manager here at Serviceside, and I just wanted to quick go over some items in my kill kit. So this is going to basically be my kill kit, and we're going to move around the table here and talk about some of the various items. Now, I'm going to start with the game bags. There's a bunch of different ways that you can go with game bags. I'm trying these out this year. They're supposed to be the antimicrobial game bags. So what that means is they just have citric acid in them. I think they have sulfuric acid as well. These are just deer bags sized. And I want to see if it actually helps keep some of the crust that you get on your meat off. So that's kind of just an experimentation that I'm doing there. Next is roughly about 20 foot of paracord. If I need to lash anything, I have that paracord. Licensing, I keep that in a Ziploc baggie. My knife is going to be a Havalon knife with extra blades. Always bring extra blades because these suckers are known for breaking. Carabiner, I use it here and there. They come in useful. Zip ties, my pen for filling out my tags. Hand wipes for wiping blood and stuff off. I keep a fire starter. This one is Light My Fire. It comes with igniter. As you can see, it does a decent job. I always bring a fixed blade. Like I said, these are known for breaking. This fixed blade you can get in an edge, especially if they have a nice edge on them. You can get a little bit better spark with these fixed blades. And then obviously if something was to ever happen to that, if it got cut off. But this is basically what I keep in my kill kit. If you got any questions, drop us a DM or email us info@serviceside.com.